how to check your medical status in California. I'm going to show you all of the available methods. The first option that you have is to check it online, which is going to be the fastest. You want to go to the benefits website, which is going to be benefitscal.com, and there you will need to log in or create an account. If you don't have an account, you will click on create an account and go through the prompts. Next, you will have to select your case. You will choose Medi-Cal from your benefits list, and there you will be able to view your status, see if your coverage is active, pending, or needs action. The second option that you have is through your county office. You will find your county social services office. You want to search your county and then Medi-Cal office, and you can either call or visit. You can ask to check your Medi-Cal eligibility or coverage status, and you will have to provide info such as your name, date of birth, and case number if you have it. The third option will be calling Medi-Cal directly. You can call their helpline, choosing your language, and then request status check. Tell them that you want to check your Medi-Cal status. The fourth option will be checking mail or notices. You want to look for letters, approval, renewal, request for documents. You will read carefully. Deadlines are important. And here are some common status messages explained. Active means that you're covered. Pending means that application is under review. Action needed means that the documents or some documents are required, and closed means that the coverage has ended. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.